Toyota Hiace replaced the front and rear cabin partitions, installed an elevator TV system, and installed a unique color inverted night vision imaging system, which can provide clear rear-view images from a wide angle in all directions, further improving the safety performance of the vehicle. The new Hiace emphasizes excellence in details as well as overall artistry and beauty. The rear bracket of the window frame is inclined backwards, which further reflects the simple and avant-garde design style. Body weight is 2,530 kilograms, wheelbase 3,860 millimeters, wheelbase, front/rear, 1675/1670 mm, length 5,915 millimeters, width 1950 millimeters. Height is 2,200 millimeters.